Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED is a device that occupies a specialized space in the current laptop market. It is designed to bridge the gap between everyday consumer hardware and the high-performance requirements of modern artificial intelligence tasks. At its core, this laptop is a thin and light machine that focuses on a combination of visual fidelity and processing efficiency. The model known as the M5406WUXGA specifically targets individuals who need a portable workstation that does not sacrifice screen quality or internal speed. It enters the market at a time when the definition of a standard laptop is changing to include dedicated hardware for machine learning and complex background processes. By integrating a high-resolution organic light-emitting diode display with a contemporary silicon architecture, this machine attempts to offer a premium experience without the extreme cost often associated with professional-grade creative workstations. When looking at the build and design of this laptop, the first thing that stands out is the choice of materials and the overall aesthetic. The cool silver finish provides a professional and understated look that fits into both office environments and casual settings. It is built with a focus on portability, which is reflected in its slim profile. Despite the thinness, the chassis feels substantial and balanced. The hinge mechanism is designed to allow for a wide range of movement, which is helpful for finding the right viewing angle in different seating positions. One of the more distinct physical features is the customizable single-zone RGB backlit keyboard. While RGB lighting is often associated with gaming hardware, here it serves a more functional purpose by allowing users to personalize their workspace or improve visibility in low light conditions. The keys themselves provide a tactile response that is intended for long typing sessions, and the large touchpad is centered to assist with navigation without the need for an external mouse. The port selection is handled with a focus on modern standards, ensuring that users can connect high-speed peripherals without relying heavily on adapters. The performance of the ASUS Vivobook S14 OLED is driven largely by the AMD Ryzen AI 9365 processor. This is a 10-core chip that utilizes a sophisticated architecture to handle various types of workloads simultaneously. What makes this processor particularly relevant in the current landscape is the inclusion of a dedicated neural processing unit capable of over 45 trillion operations per second. This matters because modern software is increasingly moving toward offloading specific tasks to artificial intelligence. This includes things like real-time noise cancellation during video calls, automated photo editing, and more efficient power management. Having a dedicated unit for these tasks means the main processor cores are free to handle the primary applications, which leads to a smoother overall experience. The laptop is equipped with 24 GB of high-speed memory, which is a unique amount that sits comfortably between the standard 16 and 32 GB configurations. This extra overhead is significant for users who keep dozens of browser tabs open while running productivity software in the background. It prevents the system from slowing down when the workload becomes heavy. Additionally, the 1 TB solid-state drive provides ample room for large files and ensures that the operating system and applications boot up almost instantly. The visual experience is another area where this laptop seeks to distinguish itself. The 14-inch OLED display offers a level of contrast and color depth that traditional liquid crystal displays often struggle to match. Because OLED technology allows each pixel to produce its own light, the screen can achieve true black levels by turning pixels completely off. This results in a much higher dynamic range, which is beneficial for watching high-definition video or editing digital content. The smooth motion handling is aided by a high refresh rate, which makes scrolling through documents and navigating the interface feel more responsive. For those who spend many hours in front of a screen, the display is designed to reduce blue light emissions, which can help lessen eye strain over the long term. This focus on display quality makes the laptop a viable option for those who prioritize color accuracy and visual clarity in their daily tasks. When considering who this laptop is best suited for, it becomes clear that it targets a middle ground of users. It is an excellent choice for students who need a reliable machine that is light enough to carry across a campus but powerful enough to handle specialized software for engineering or design courses. It also appeals to mobile professionals who frequently work from cafes or while traveling and require a high-quality screen for presentations or content review. The inclusion of advanced AI processing capabilities makes it a forward-looking choice for early adopters who want to be ready for the next generation of software features. It is not necessarily a primary gaming machine, nor is it a heavy-duty video editing rig for cinema-grade projects, but it handles almost everything in between with a high degree of competence. It is for the person who wants a premium-feeling device that stays relevant for several years thanks to its modern internal specifications. In a balanced closing thought, the ASUS Vivobook S14O LED represents a thoughtful integration of current technology trends. It successfully combines a top-tier display with a processor that is ready for the future of computing. While the thin design might mean it has to work harder to stay cool under maximum load compared to a bulkier laptop, the efficiency of the AMD Ryzen architecture helps to manage this balance. At a price point of roughly $980 at the time of writing, it offers a competitive set of features that are usually found in more expensive ultrabooks. It provides a consistent and reliable user experience for a wide variety of tasks, making it a strong contender for anyone looking for a versatile and modern 14-inch laptop. The combination of high memory capacity, a fast processor, and a superior screen makes it a tool that can adapt to the changing needs of the modern user without feeling like a compromise. The evolution of the Vivobook line has led to this point where features once reserved for the most expensive professional models are now available in a more accessible form factor. The focus on the neural processing unit is particularly interesting as it signals a shift in how we measure laptop power. It is no longer just about raw clock speeds but about how intelligently the system can handle specific types of data. For the average person, this means the laptop stays fast and responsive even as software becomes more complex. The silver finish and the slim dimensions ensure that it remains a stylish choice that does not draw unnecessary attention, while the internal hardware ensures that it can back up its looks with actual capability. Whether it is used for managing a small business, finishing a degree, or simply enjoying high-quality media, the balance of hardware in this specific model is designed to provide a high level of satisfaction across the board. It is a well-rounded machine that reflects the current state of portable computing, offering a glimpse into a future where AI and high-fidelity visuals are standard parts of the everyday user experience. Ultimately, the choice of a laptop often comes down to how well it fits into a specific lifestyle. This ASUS model is built for a lifestyle that demands flexibility. It is small enough to fit into a standard backpack or briefcase without adding significant weight, yet the screen is large enough to remain productive without feeling cramped. The 1 TB of storage is a generous inclusion at this price level, ensuring that users do not have to constantly manage their files or rely on external drives for their primary data. By focusing on the fundamentals of a good user experience, such as the screen, the keyboard, and the processing speed, the Vivobook S14O LED manages to be a highly functional tool that serves its purpose well. It is a practical investment for those who value quality and performance in a portable package. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.